Hey, Rhonda Roseanne here, CPA and Advanced Certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor with New Business Directions, where we work with growth-minded business owners and nonprofits who want to understand their numbers, make smarter decisions, plan ahead, and feel more confident. Today, I have a short video on how to set up workers' comp tracking in your QuickBooks Desktop file, whether you have enhanced payroll or assisted payroll, in order to be able to give the reports to the insurance auditor when they come for the annual premium audit. So this short video will explain to you step by step how to do that process. I'm going to share my screen. We are working in a QuickBooks sample manufacturing file of QuickBooks Desktop Enterprise Solutions. It's the accountant version, and I'm going to give you a step-by-step on how to do this. The first step is to edit your preferences. These are your settings in QuickBooks, and these are the benefits and HR settings under company preferences, where you would select to track workers' compensation insurance in your QuickBooks file. Once these are checked, the second step is to go to your lists, to your workers' comp list, and you find this information in your workers' comp insurance policy on the declarations page. There are codes for exposures, descriptions of the categories of work, rates per $100 of wages, and an effective date of the policy. You simply enter these codes with the rates and descriptions as of an effective date. Once you have these codes, you need to look further down on that declarations page where you will find the experience modification factor. Most businesses who pay a substantial amount of premium in workers' comp will have an experience modification factor based on their safety record. If you're safer, you will have a lower rate. If you are less safe, you will have a higher rate. If you edit this rate here, you put in the percentage. It'll be either 80%, 90%. So the normal is 100%. If you're safer, you will have lower than 100. If you're not so safe, you will have higher than 100. You put that number there with the policy effective date. So here you have your rates, your experience modification. After you have your settings checked and your codes listed, then you have to look at your payroll item list. And on your payroll item list, you will have an item for workers' compensation, which is a company contribution. And this company contribution maps on one side to workers' comp payable and on the other side to workers' compensation expense. Then we assign the rates to the employees. So let's go to our employee list. Michael D. is here, and we have a workers' comp tab where we have assigned him as the shop foreman. When you run a payroll, I'll pull up a paycheck here, the detail, you assign the code on each payroll item, each item name in the earnings section, and this will do the calculations for you. Once we've done our settings, entered our codes, entered our experience modification, assign these to the employees running payroll throughout the year, you will be able to find on a report under employees and payroll, in a workers' comp summary report, you will see the wages, the workers' comp rate, the premium, the experience modification, and the calculation. So you would run this for the time frame of the policy, and it would give you all the information you need to gather, along with your 941s and state unemployment forms, to provide to the workers' comp insurance auditor, to be able to compare what you said you were going to have for payroll to what you actually did have for payroll, so that the auditor can calculate whether they owe you money or you owe them money. And it's always good to know the answer and what that number looks like before they tell you, so you can make sure that it's right. If you need help streamlining your process or figuring out what's next for your business, please reach out at our website, newbusinessdirections.com. It's okay. We can help.